At number 1, we have the Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. This all-in-one compound removes swirls, scratches, and oxidation while adding deep gloss in a single step. It's incredibly easy to use, working great by hand or with a DA polisher with minimal dusting. Safe for clear coats and all glossy paints. It's the reliable choice for everyone, from beginners to pros.
At number 2, we have the Nanopolix Scratch Remover. This modern nanotechnology quickly fixes deep scratches, swirl marks, and paint imperfections on any color car. It's an easy-to-use paste that delivers fast results with minimal effort, no heavy machinery needed. Many buyers report visible improvements after one application, restoring clarity and shine instantly. Great value for everyday car owners looking for an effective, affordable solution. Get yours now.
At number 3, we have the Chemical Guys VSS1. This versatile compound and polish hybrid restores gloss while removing scratches, swirls, and towel marks. It performs well on cars, trucks, SUVs, and more, offering a balanced cut and finish. Users love its pleasant scent, easy wipe-off, and professional-level results. It's a high-volume seller thanks to consistent performance and large bottle size, ideal for full paint corrections or maintenance detailing.
At number 4, we have the Meguiar's M16-732 Marine Jot RV One-Step Compound. It's excellent for removing heavy oxidation, stains, scratches, and water spots on fiberglass and gel coat. This one-step formula restores vibrant color and high shine efficiently. Boaters and RV owners love its cutting power and durability. A reliable result on tough surfaces every time.
At number 5, we have the Meguiar's Mirror Glaze M105 Ultra Cut Compound. This professional-grade compound is designed to remove deep scratches, heavy swirls, and severe defects. It's favored by detailers for fast correction with a DA polisher while building excellent gloss. Result? A stunning deep gloss with minimal swirls, safe for all glossy paints and clear coats.
At number 6, we have the Chemical Guys C4 and P4 Clear Cut Correction Compound. This 2-in-1 kit combines a strong cutting compound, C4, to remove deep scratches and swirls with a fine finishing polish, P4, to restore deep gloss and showroom results. Ideal for serious detailers, this versatile combo delivers proven effectiveness.
At number 7, we have the 3D One-Car Scratch and Swirl Remover Hybrid Compound. It's a true one-step paint correction, removing swirls and scratches while enhancing gloss. Praised for its user-friendly application and low dust, it works great on all paint types. Consistent bestseller for its convenience and amazing results.
At number 8, we have the Turtle Wax T230A Rubbing Compound and Heavy Duty Cleaner. This affordable compound cleans, restores, and removes deep scratches, stains, and oxidation. It brings back shine to dull finishes quickly, perfect for tough jobs without the premium price.